Hi, my name is Angelina Mkabela, and in this video we'll talk about how to assist teachers in creating a culture of learning that identifies and mobilizes resources within the learning context to solve learning-related problems. And we chose let's talk about inclusive education. Inclusive education is a teaching model that caters to the needs of all learners, regardless of their ability or accommodation needs. The main aim of inclusive education is to ensure that all learners are treated fairly and get equal opportunities in the classroom. And we'll look into these three aspects that teachers will need in order to teach inclusive education. It's the understanding in inclusive education, the hybrid inclusive education for transformation, and the framework of an inclusive pedagogical approach. With understanding inclusive education, the teacher must do the following to teach learners. The teacher must involve learners, parents, and the school executives into addressing the issues with learners' differences. And also, the teacher must understand that all learners are different based on their abilities. The teacher must treat learners equal, and also the school must be accommodative to accommodate all the learners with their different abilities by creating the ramps and providing learners with the resources they will need. This is inclusive education in a picture. Hybrid inclusive education for transformation is an approach to education that combines elements of both inclusive education and technology learning. Teachers will have to create online platforms and in order to teach using this aspect, they must use variety of instrumental materials such as videos, sending learners videos, and also they must foster a supportive learning environment by creating a welcoming, inclusive environment and encourage virtual and physical empathy and respect. And also they must utilize online platforms and digital tools for hybrid learning such as the video conference, and also they must send communication to learners by emails and using ClickHubs, and also they must create the policy and plan the assessment that includes the online learning teaching using the hybrid approach. A framework of an inclusive pedagogical approach is an approach that is designed to accommodate all learners. So teachers using this approach must use the two main aspects of the UDI and the ZPD. The UDI it accommodates learners by encouraging collaboration and support peer learners, and learners learn through each other. And also the teacher must create a supportive classroom to invite all learners. Then with using the ZPD approach, the teacher will use this approach by getting to know the learners in the classroom as identify their specific needs and abilities. And also the teacher will use the ZPD method by creating scaffolding method such as breaking down tasks into manageable steps that will also encourage collaborative learning to make learners learn from each other. This picture displays the power of inclusive education.